We're talking about keeping and growing the business. So to keep and grow the personal injury attorney referral business. In other words, you don't want to just let them go and let that relationship die. You not only want to maintain it, but you can grow it and get more business from them and more returning referrals from them likewise. And so the four main strategies to are the webcam and video infomercial. And that's a great way to always can create value and stay in front of them and be very personal, affect the need, obstacles, and trust. And it's automated. So once it's set up, you don't have to do anything. It's automated. It's done. Go adjust your patients. Go treat your patients, whatever. So, and then the personal injury, from there we have the personal injury attorney financial driver case review, and I talked about that. That was a totally separate webinar, where that particular system is the most. That's when the attorney will be most receptive to anything you have to say, and you can really create some authority and trust when you do the financial driver case review after the re-exam, and you do the financial driver analysis with the re-exam. And then the mini educational conference. And the mini educational conference, as we talked about, that's setting those up for every 3 to 4 months on a Thursday night for 2 to 3 hours. And that's a totally separate webinar. We cover that. But that not only helps to support your existing attorneys, but it's a great way to bring in more attorneys into the fold. And remember, these are factors that affect all three components because of the personal visualization. It can affect need, it can affect obstacles, and trust. Remember, those are the three categories we're always trying to affect. So a mini educational conference can do that if you know educational sales. If you don't know educational sales, then it won't. So the annual, and then of course you're the authority figure. Anytime you give a conference and it's in your name, you're the authority. You automatically have the trust. It's one of the highest forms of trust factors. It's almost like a book once you throw the conference, publishing a book. So then there's the annual conference. So this is how it fits into the picture. I'm just trying to put the relationship of how it fits into the marketing mix. So it's for your existing attorneys. There's 4 things that should happen: the video infomercial, the personal injury financial case review, the quarterly, semi-quarterly, mid-educational conference with the Agile conference. And this is how you will build a mega personal injury practice with authority and trust and establish the need.